Okay, I already got one of the bulbs switched on the passing lights. So here's what the I'm covering up with a bag. Here's what the left passing light, which has already been changed, looks like. Here's the stock Harley, I think it's an H3 bulb, 30 watt. So the Harley, I already have a LED in the headlight, so that's bright to begin with. So if we turn high on, not really gonna have that, change, but very bright with the center and the center and the new bulb. Here's the main headlight LED with the old. So you can kind of see the orangey lines. Big difference in person. Don't know if it's going to show up on camera.